Hi everyone, and welcome back to Ride Waves. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Royal Enfield Hunter 350M motorcycle that's been making waves in the urban riding scene. Whether you're a seasoned rider or just starting out, this bike offers a blend of classic aesthetics and modern functionality that's hard to ignore. Let's talk about the heart of the Hunter 350. It's powered by a 349cc air-oil-cooled single-cylinder engine, delivering 20.2 bhp at 6,100 revolutions per minute and 27 Nm of torque at 4,000 revolutions per minute. This setup ensures a smooth and responsive ride, perfect for navigating city streets or cruising on the highway. The 5-speed gearbox is complemented by a slipper assist clutch, making gear shifts seamless and reducing rider fatigue during stop-and-go traffic. Royal Enfield Motorbikes Plus 7 Wikipedia Plus 7 BikeWales Plus 7. When it comes to design, the Hunter 350 doesn't disappoint. It features a retro-inspired look with a modern twist. The bike comes in two variants, the Metro and the Retro. The Metro variant boasts vibrant dual-tone colors like Rebel Blue, London Red, and Tokyo Black, while the Retro variant offers a more classic appeal with its factory black finish. The 790mm seat height and wide handlebars provide an ergonomic riding position, ensuring comfort during long rides. Hindustan Times America's Motorsports Plus 4 Wikipedia Plus 4 Royal Enfield Motorbikes Plus 4 www.ndtv.com Plus 2 Royal Enfield Motorbikes Plus 2 BikeWale Plus 2 Royal Enfield Motorbikes. Safety and convenience are paramount in the Hunter 350. It comes equipped with dual-channel ABS, featuring a 300mm front disc and a 270mm rear disc, providing confident braking in various conditions. The bike also includes a DG analog instrument cluster that combines the charm of analog with the functionality of digital, displaying essential information at a glance. Additionally, the USB Type-C charging port ensures your devices stay powered on the go. Royal Enfield Motorbikes Plus 1 Royal Enfield Motorbikes Plus 1 America's Motorsports Plus 1 Royal Enfield Motorbikes Plus 1 BikeWale Plus 1 Royal Enfield Motorbikes Plus 1. Now, let's discuss the pricing. In India, the 2025 Royal Enfield Hunter 350 is priced between As superscript 11.50 lakh and As superscript 11.82 lakh, ex-showroom, depending on the variant and color choice. For our viewers in Pakistan, the expected price is around Pkr 520,000, though this may vary based on import duties and dealership charges. Wikipedia Plus 4 Hindustan Times Plus 4 Mint Plus 4 BikeWales. In conclusion, the 2025 Royal Enfield Hunter 350 is a compelling option for riders seeking a motorcycle that combines classic styling with modern features. Its performance, comfort, and safety features make it a versatile choice for both city commuting and weekend adventures. If you're in the market for a new ride that offers both style and substance, the Hunter 350 is worth considering. Thanks for tuning in to Ride Waves. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews and updates on the latest motorcycles. Ride safe and see you on the road.